Hello students, today we are going to learn what symmetry is and what are the various types of symmetries which exist in the nature and this world. Introduction. Symmetry is an important concept in geometry, found in nature and used in art, design, and architecture. A shape has line symmetry if it can be folded along a line so that both sides match perfectly, like a mirror reflection. Examples of symmetry can be seen in flowers, butterflies, and beehives, where both sides are identical. Symmetry is not only common in daily life but also helps create balanced and beautiful designs. Line of symmetry. Now, what is a line of symmetry? A line of symmetry is when you fold a shape along a line and both halves match perfectly. If the two halves do not match, it is not a line of symmetry. For example, if we fold a blue triangle along a dotted line down the middle, the two sides will match exactly. This dotted line is a line of symmetry for the triangle. Folding the four puzzle pieces along the dotted line won't align the sides, so it's not a line of symmetry. Figures with more than one line of symmetry. A square has four lines of symmetry. A circle has infinite lines of symmetry. A rectangle has two lines of symmetry, one vertical and one horizontal. A regular polygon has as many lines of symmetry as it has sides. A shape has line symmetry when one half is a mirror image of the other. We can take a look at all these shapes and verify this. Creating shapes with line symmetry. Creating symmetrical shapes is a fun way to explore symmetry. There are several methods to generate such shapes, and two popular techniques are using ink blots and paper folding and cutting. Paper folding and cutting. Fold the paper. Fold a sheet of paper along any straight line. Cut along the fold, while folded, cut along the fold. Unfold to reveal. Unfold the paper to see the symmetrical pattern created by the cut. What's a reflection? When a shape has a line of symmetry, one part of the shape is a mirror image of the other, known as reflection symmetry. It's like looking at yourself in a mirror. What you see is a reflection of your real self. Example: a butterfly has reflection symmetry because its left wing is a mirror image of its right wing. Rotational symmetry. A shape has rotational symmetry if it looks the same after being rotated, turned around a point. For example, a circle has infinite rotational symmetry because it looks the same at any angle. A paper windmill has rotational symmetry because it looks the same when rotated by 90 degrees, a quarter turn around the red point at its center. The angles of symmetry for the windmill are 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and 360 degrees. After a full 360 degrees rotation, the shape returns to its original position, which is a universal angle of symmetry. Some shapes, like a strip shape, do not return to their original position until a full 360 degrees rotation, meaning they lack rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry with radial arms. Shapes with radial arms, like the blades of a fan, can have rotational symmetry. The number of arms in the shape tells us how many times it looks the same during one full rotation. Example: a fan with four blades has four angles of symmetry at 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and 360 degrees. For a figure with four radial arms, the angles of symmetry are spaced 90 degrees apart around the center. If the angles between the arms are changed but still total 360 degrees and are evenly spaced, the figure will still have four angles of symmetry. With three radial arms, the figure has rotational symmetry only with a full 360 degrees rotation. If the angles between the arms are 120 degrees each, the figure will have three angles of symmetry at 120 degrees, 240 degrees, and 360 degrees. Symmetries of a circle. A circle has infinite lines of symmetry. Every line through the center, diameter, is a line of symmetry. It can be rotated by any angle and still look the same. Example, a wheel looks the same no matter how you turn it. In this video, you learned about symmetries, lines of symmetry in various shapes, and many other concepts.